Hello students, in last lecture we have studied some chemical properties of phenol, and in that we see the reactions of phenol in the chapter alcohol, phenols and ethers. So today we are going to study the physical and chemical properties of ether. In that first we study the physical properties of ether. So let's see the physical properties of ether. So what are the physical properties of ether? So let's see. First physical property, that is physical state and boiling point. In that first we study physical states and boiling points. This is the physical property. In this, dimethyl ether and ethyl methyl ether are gases, and other ethers are colorless liquid with pleasant odor. See here, dimethyl ether and ethyl methyl ether are gases, and other ethers are colorless liquid. Then next, low ethers are highly volatile and inflammable substances. Lower ether are highly volatile and inflammable substances. Then the next is the ether. The boiling point of ether, there is gradual increase with increase in their molecular mass. Yes? Boiling point of ether are gradually increased. Boiling point of ether is gradually increased with their molecular mass. This is the physical state and boiling point. Then our next property is polarity and solubility. See our next, polarity and solubility. So in this, the COC bond angle means COC bond angle is 110 degree. COC bond angle is 110 degree, but not 180 degree. जहाँ COC bond angle जो आहे तो 110 degree, पण 180 degree नाही. Hence the bond dipole moment of two CO bond do not cancel with each other. And hence ether possesses small net dipole moment. See, here are the bond angle between ROR is 110 degree. Hence, the ether possesses small net dipole moment. Okay. Then the hydrogen bonding of or intermolecular hydrogen bonding that holds alcohol molecule together strongly but this is not present in ether and alkane. So intermolecular hydrogen bonding which holds alcohol molecule together strongly, and this is not present in ether and alkanes. So ether are soluble in water similarly to alcohol. Ethers dissolve in water. Ethers soluble in water is similar to alcohol. The solubility of ether is similar to that of alcohols. This is because the ether can form hydrogen bond. With water through ethereal oxygen. See here, R dash O dash R. This ether can form hydrogen bond with water. Here ether form hydrogen bond with water through ethereal oxygen. So this is hydrogen bond of ether with water. So ether form hydrogen bond with water. Then our next point is chemical properties of ether. In that, first we study laboratory test for ether. We see first laboratory test for ether. So in this laboratory test for ether are neutral compound in aqueous medium. Ethers are neutral compound in the aqueous medium. Hence, ethers do not react with bases, cold dilute acids, oxidizing agents, reducing agents, and active metals. See, ethers do not react with bases, then oxidizing agent, reducing agent, active metals, and cold dilute acids. Here, ether can dissolve in cold concentrated H2SO4 to the formation of oxonium ion. Let's see the reaction. Here R dash O dash R dash plus cold concentrated H2SO4 to form R dash O dash H dash R dash HSO4. So this is ether react with sulfuric acid, dilute concentrated sulfuric acid to form oxonium ion. Then our second one is the reaction involving alkyl group of ether. In that, first we study formation of peroxide. So, reaction involving alkyl group of ether. In that, first we study formation of peroxide. So here ether can react with atmospheric oxygen or ether combined with atmospheric oxygen to form peroxide. There is formation of peroxide. Let's see the reaction. CH3-CH2-O-C2H5 diethyl ether react with atmospheric oxygen or diethyl ether react with atmospheric oxygen to form CH3-CH-OH-OC2H5. See here, this is diethyl ether. So this alkyl ether react with atmospheric oxygen to form peroxide of diethyl ether. There is peroxide of diethyl ether. Peroxide of diethyl ether. So here ether combined with atmospheric oxygen to form peroxide of ether. Here all ethers exposed in atmosphere containing peroxide. All ethers are exposed in atmosphere contain peroxide. These peroxides are hazardous. These peroxides are hazardous and they can decompose in high temperature. They can decompose in high temperature. See the reaction. Diethyl ether react with atmospheric oxygen to form peroxide of ether. Then our next reaction is reaction involving CO bond. Then third one is reaction involving C-O bond. So in this, first we study the reaction of ether with hot concentrated sulfuric acid. Reaction with hot concentrated sulfuric acid. So in this, the ether can react with hot concentrated sulfuric acid, undergo hydrolysis to form phenol or alcohol. Here ether can combine with hot concentrated sulfuric acid, undergo hydrolysis to form phenols or alcohols. So let's see the reaction. First, R-O-R plus H2O will give alcohol 2 times R-OH. There is formation of alcohol. See the next reaction. If mixed ether is used, R-O-R plus H-O-H with hydrolysis to form R-OH plus R-OH. 2 dissimilar alcohols are formed. And if we take aryl ether, Ar-O-R, on hydrolysis to form first phenol and also alcohol. form phenol and alcohol. Okay, so here ether react with hot concentrated H2SO4 on hydrolysis to give phenol and alcohols. Okay, then our second reaction, from reaction involving CO bond, in that we take second reaction with phosphorus pentachloride. Reaction with phosphorus pentachloride. Reaction with phosphorus pentachloride. So here ether react with phosphorus pentachloride to form alkyl chloride. There is formation of alkyl chloride. Let's see, R-O-R- plus PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride to form R-Cl plus R-Cl plus POCl3. Here we take ether with phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus pentachloride to form alkyl chloride. There is formation of alkyl chloride. Okay.